Hey you guys, it's Nani Beats. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these brows. There are different ways to do brows, but this is how you do these in specific. Today you'll need LA Pro Concealer. You can get that from the beauty supply store. Today I'm using the color Toast. This is a Morphe pencil in the color Java. The next one is a concealer brush from e.l.f. You can get that from Walmart or Walgreens. After that, you're also going to need a flat, fluffy brush. This one is from Wet n Wild from Walgreens or Walmart. A eyebrow cleaner, an angled brush, and the Morphe eyebrow pomade in the color Java. So I start with brushing my brows, then I clean them up a little bit because I don't get them done that often. And then I go in with the pencil and I line the bottom. I always start with my right eye and then I move to my left. It is flipped because it's the camera, of course. Then I move over to my left eye and I underline that eye the same as I did the first one, and I line right under where my hairs stop. That's why I try to clean them up as much as I can so that it looks clean underneath. And then I line the top. I go back to the first eyebrow and I line the top. First eyebrow being the right. And then I do the same to the left and line the left eyebrow. And then I go in with that pomade on my angled brush and I kind of do like light strokes of the product into my eyebrows. I don't like it to be too heavy. And then I do like light strokes going upward in the front so that it's like a gradient effect, so that it's not so dark in the front. I try this as much as possible. Somehow my whole eyebrows still end up looking dark in videos and pictures. And I brush them out with the spoolie in the front. I really do like this spoolie pencil combination that Morphe has. I love this pencil, and it's not expensive at all. It's only $5. People see Morphe and they're like, oh my god, they're so expensive. This pencil is not expensive at all. It's becoming one of my favorites. And then I go in with that concealer on that concealer brush from e.l.f. and I just line right underneath where I did the line for my eyebrows. That's why I try to do the line as perfect as possible so that it is easier to see what you are concealing with the concealer. And I try not to use too much product so that I don't have too much to blend out when I am done placing that concealer around those brows. Just to give them more of a clean look, because technically you don't have to do the concealer at all. It's based on preference. And then I just go ahead and I conceal the top. Now the top is a little more tricky than the bottom for me. For some reason in the front of the brows, because I don't pencil the front of the brows, I do have trouble with that as well, especially because I don't get my eyebrows done that often. My hairs are very long, so the ones in the front are usually longer than the rest of my eyebrow. And then I go in with that big fluffy brush and I just buff everything out so that it blends in with my skin. This is for if you're just doing a brow look and nothing else on your face, foundation, no eyeshadow or anything. This just makes it look a little more clean so that you don't have that effect around your brows. And this is my eyebrow tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Nani Beats and I'm out.